Hi everyone, this is Diana here from Linkseride. Today I'm going to show you another new model. Ta-da! Here you can see this is our new electric moped scooter. I think many of you like me. When I first see this new style, it reminds me of another model from like Honda, right? The Honda C110. It quite looks like that motorcycle, but it's totally electric. It's electric moped. Now come with me. I will show you more details about this electric moped scooter. This model is equipped with 14-inch tires, so it can offer you a higher stand performance during riding. Also with a bigger disc brake with our high performance caliper, so you don't need to worry about the brake part when you riding the scooter. With this 14-inch tire size, you don't need to worry about. You can handle all the terrains with this new model. And with two seats, you can take your families out. Also, if you don't need the second seat, you can change this part to a delivery cage. So this model can also use for a delivery scooter. You can use for your delivery fleet and also other projects. With this dashboard, you can see simple to understand the high beam and deep beam, also the steering light. With home buttons, with reverse buttons, and this simple but nice, neat dashboard. Also on the right hand, it's the flash buttons, and also with the bin buttons. On the part, here's the parking buttons and the mode to change to different gears, 1, 2, 3. And also you can see the key lock here to start, turn on, turn off. And with this model, we are equipped with NFC starting as our standard version. For this model, our battery is under the seat, and the biggest battery we can equip with is with 50 amp. So the distance range is good. And with this part, you can see a small storage box. So a quite commuting moped scooter you can use for daily riding. Okay, that's it. If you need detailed specifications or you want to do customizations, feel free to contact with us. See you next time. Bye!